In this tutorial, I'll just show you how to play on the BC game platform. Okay, so if you have been hearing about BC game or even stake.com or other gaming platform, so BC game is a very popular gaming platform in Nigeria that you can play on this platform different kind of games. Okay, it's a gambling platform, iGaming platform, different kind of game that you can play on this platform and make money for yourself in the process. Okay, so what I'll be showing you in this tutorial is very perfect for the beginners or those who are just learning about this PC game. It's just to show you how to play games on this platform and how to go about making money for yourself on this platform. But before I proceed on that, I want to let you know that a BC game is an iGaming platform, which is a gambling platform. So in a gambling platform, you win and you lose. So you make sure that when you start playing on this platform, the money you use to play game on this platform, there should be money that you can afford to lose. Okay, and then this video is just for entertainment purposes. It's not a financial advice. All right, so now if this is just your first time of getting to know about BC game, the first thing you will need to do is to create an account on BC game. All right, so for you to do that, you just simply, if you check this video, just look at the bottom of the video, the description part, you will see a registration link. I've already dropped it there. So if you click on that link, it will take you to the BC game platform, the original platform, because there are so many a fake and scam platform there, so you have to be careful. So just click on the link that I drop in the video description. So it should just take you to the BC game platform and you just quickly create your own account on BC game. It takes less than 2 minutes to create your own account. So once you do that, then you can then log into your BC game account and it will be showing on your browser like this. You get? So once you are logged into your BC game platform, the first thing you need to do before you can start playing games is to deposit. You can see that on my BC game account now. You can see my account balance in NGN is 9,200 Naira. And even if you are not a Nigerian, whatever country you are residing, you will see the currency of your country based on the country that you selected when you were registering on the BC game. If I click on this my account balance here, and on BC game, apart from using the local currency of your country, you can also use crypto. You can use crypto to deposit and withdraw. So even if you don't want to use your local bank account, you can simply use crypto like USDT, Bitcoin or Litecoin or any of your preferred crypto. Okay, so but for this tutorial, I'll be specifically going for using of your local currency, which is Naira or the currency of your country. So for you to make a deposit to your BC game account, the first thing you need to do, just click on this plus icon here. Just click on this plus icon. Okay, so you see that plus icon is the icon to deposit, and you have the option to deposit fiat. Fiat is just your local currency, or you can deposit crypto, which I clicked here. You see, this is the option to deposit crypto, and this is the option to deposit fiat. And you can deposit fiat by just simply taking any of the bank transfer option. You can see below, you see PalmPay, you see bank transfer. So whatever bank you are using in Nigeria, you can just select it, and you will see the account number to transfer to. I have actually done a very detailed practical tutorial on how to make deposits and withdrawals on your BC game account. So I will leave the link to that video in the description. So if you are having issues, for those who have issues making deposits or making withdrawals on your BC game account, that video will guide you through the process, because I actually made a practical deposit and my account was credited. So if I just go back, you see, also before I go to the next stage, let me just also show you withdrawal. If you want to make a withdrawal, just simply click on this icon here. If you click on it, you see, so you can also make deposit here, you can make withdrawal. If I click on withdraw button, you see that the option to withdraw is here. So PalmPay, OPay. So as I said previously, I have done the detailed tutorial on how to withdraw from your BC game account, how to make deposits. So those who have the issue of their BC game account being locked from withdrawal, that video tutorial will help you. I showed the necessary steps you need to take to avoid that unlock issue whereby you won't be able to withdraw the money in your account. So once you've done the successful deposit on your BC game account, the next thing to do now is to play games and make money from the games you play. So on BC Game, the most popular games that you can play, that you can use to make money, they are under the casino section. So if you just look down here, you see this button here, casino. Just click on it. Okay, so you see I've clicked on the casino. So once you get to this page, then just come to this BC Originals. Okay, so on this BC Originals page, this page contains the most popular games that players love to play on BC Game. Okay, so BC Game has so many games, but there are some very popular games that players love to play on the BC Game platform, and you find those games under BC Originals. So some of those popular games are the games you are seeing here. You see this first one here, Crash, and you can see beside it, you see 2761. That simply means, as at the time of making this video, 2761 players are currently playing this game. That should let you know that this game is very popular. And you can see the next one, Limbo. You see beside it, you see 354, and you see followed by Plinko. Then you see Ultimate Die. So these are the very popular games that you can play on BC Game and make money in the process. If I just go down a bit, you see that there are so many other games. Okay, you see Classic Dice, all right, you see Kino, you see Mines, and you see Elo, you see Tower Legend. Okay, so if you have been following this channel for some time, you'll notice that I introduced BC Game to you guys around March last year. So since then, I have done series of tutorials showing various profitable strategies that you can play on the BC Original section. I have done profitable video tutorials on Crash, on Limbo, on Mines, Stake Mines, on Tower Legend, on Dice, yeah, Classic Dice. So I have done those profitable tutorials. So I wouldn't want this video to be too long to start showing you how to play each of these games and to make money. So what I will do is I will leave the videos to those tutorials in the description part of this video. So if you just check the description, you will see those tutorials. I did a very powerful strategy on Tower Legend. That strategy is still working till date. I still use it in date. That video has gotten, I think, over 11,000 views. So you just simply focus on the particular game that you are excited about. My most recent strategy was on Crash. So now in the coming days, I'm going to share, I have a working strategy on Plinko game. This game you are seeing here, Plinko. I have a working strategy on Plinko. So I'll be showing you that strategy in the coming days. So if you are interested in this game, just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned so that you won't miss out on that video. Then I have done series of videos on Limbo, but I have another settings that I just discovered recently that is profitable on Limbo. That one too is coming very soon. So these are the different games you can play on BC Game and how you can make money in the process. And one beautiful feature about BC Game that I find exciting is the promotions and the bonuses that you get when you are using this platform. BC Game offers a lot of freebies, promos, and gifts for their loyal players. So if you come under this bonus page, on this page you see when you start playing on BC Game, by the time your account starts growing and you start making deposit withdrawals and you start playing regularly, you find out that you start receiving a lot of notification that you've earned some certain bonuses or some gift that you can redeem. And some of this redemption could be money that you can credit. Once you claim it, it will be deposited to your BC Game wallet, NGN, which you can withdraw to your bank account or which you can use to play. You can see my account here. You can see the total bonus I have claimed, 285,000 naira. That is just to let you know that this stuff is working. And the BC Game, they give different VIP. So when you start playing on the platform, you will see that your account will start getting certain a level up in the VIP. So once you get to a particular VIP, there are some particular kind of a benefit or gift that you get from the platform. So finally, before I conclude the video, I want to show you, for those who may be interested in the BC game platform but they don't want to play game. So there's another way that you can also earn money on this BC game platform without necessarily staking or playing game with your money. So that way is simply by doing a referral on the platform. So if you want to do that, you just simply, if you click on this button here, so you see this place, it says affiliate, okay? So by simply inviting your friends to come and play on the BC game, you can get to earn commissions and rewards from the platform. So when your friends play games on the platform, certain commissions and rewards will be credited to your own BC game account, as long as those people, they used your referral link to join BC game. If you see on my account now, over the years I have been referring a lot of my friends, followers on this channel and my other platforms to the BC game platform. So I have been able to earn some rewards and gifts and commission from the platform. If you come to this my rewards section, you see what I'm talking about. You see that over the years I've received a total of $629, and then referral rewards, all right, I've received $197. If you want to use this method to earn from BC game, all you need to just do is just to simply copy your BC game referral link, which is what you're seeing here. You can see that this is my own referral link. Just simply copy your BC game referral link, then just share it with your friends that want to join BC game. Just simply give them your referral link for them to use it to create their own BC game account, all right, so that you can earn commission and rewards anytime they are playing on BC game. So my friends, I hope you've gotten value and information from BC game. So please stay tuned for my upcoming video tutorial on Plinko and Limbo, all right? Okay, so guys, thank you for your time, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again. Goodbye.